swimming today. Oh, do you think I think I'm cold. It is cold. Yes. See some turtles down there? Oh, great. Ooh, turtles. Paddling. See? The seahorses are doing the dog paddle. Okay. Dog paddle? Okay. Who's doing the healthy exercise? Doing the doggy paddle is really great to find out with the way to great to find out way things. So let us do the paddling. Okay. Seahorses? Okay.
Splish, splash, I was taking a bath. Round about a Saturday night. Rubber duck, splashing in a tub, thinking everything was alright. When I stepped out the tub, put my feet on the floor. I hung the tub around me, yeah, I opened the door. Splish, splash, jumped back in the bath. How was I to know there was a party going on? I was splishing and a splashing, leaving and a heaving, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. Bang, bang, we saw the whole gang dancing on the living room rug. Yeah, flip, flop, doing the bop on the knees like a dancing bug. Well, I start to bop with a peg and shoe. The golly Miss Molly was even there too. Well, splish, splash, run around the bath. I went to put my dancing shoes on. I was a moving and a grooving, breathing and a rocking, moving and a grooving, splishing and a splashing. I was splishing and splashing, heaving and a heaving, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling, yeah. I was splishing and splashing, yeah. I was splishing and splashing, moving and a grooving, moving and a grooving.
Oh, I'm cold. Oh, yes. Oh, see some oysters here? Oh, okay. See something? Yeah. But see something down there? Yes. Oh, great. See some dolphins down there. Sure enough. Yeah,